Hello, I'm going to take you downstairs to our manufacturing floor and show you one of our cool new projects that we're working on, integrating a robot into one of our custom x-ray machines. Thanks for joining in. Today I want to show you about a cool project that we're working on here at Creative Electron. We actually have integrated a Fanuc robot into our system. This is a custom project that we're building for a customer to inspect samples for them. So the robot here is currently in its home position. It's going to be picking up a sample, and then it's going to take that sample over to the x-ray beam for inspection. And while it's there, it's going to be rotating the sample 90 degrees, and we'll be capturing several images of it for analysis. Based on that analysis, we have 3 chutes here. We have pass, we have fail, and we have a marginal. So this one's a pass. It's going to drop it down into that first chute. Once it drops it into that chute, it's going to go back to home, where it will pick up another sample. It's going to go back to that x-ray beam for inspection again. Rotate it just like it did on the last one. And in this case, since we're looking at a different sample, it's going to be rejecting that and bringing it over to the fail chute. Hope you enjoyed what you just watched. If you did, please click on like and subscribe, and go ahead and comment below, especially if you'd like to see something in particular.
Which one?